Hey everybody, we are out here in Northville, right off 9 Mile Road. We are at a massive Pickers vintage sale. There's stuff hanging from the ceiling, literally. It is our exclusive VIP night, so to attend this night, you had to be currently enrolled in our VIP program. They're having a blast inside. They're finding all sorts of treasures. They're digging, they're picking, they're loving it. And let's go take a look and see what they're finding. We're still finishing up loading some of the piles here. Can't wait to see all of you guys out here tomorrow on Wednesday for full day one of the sale. It's going to be insane.